Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Today is 22nd of August 2026 and it's Saturday and we're going to review the Friday price action. I took a trade on Friday and we're gonna review that. Let's start from the weekly chart or let's start from the monthly chart. So as I already told that we were in this range of this monthly wick and right now we are above of its upper quadrant. On weekly chart I didn't highlight any wick and I was just looking at the monthly wick, and on the other side I was looking I highlighted this daily wick which was a higher high. That's why I highlighted. Okay, and we're going to review this candle. This was the Friday price action and the week has ended and it's Saturday, which is the weekend. So as you know that we were expanding to upside on higher time frame, so I wasn't looking for any bearish or reversal price action. Okay, so this was the time, and see how we went lower into this gap and then close above and then respected this upper quarter and went to the upside. Beautiful price action. Yeah, let's see what we got in this price action. So this was a trade and it resulted in a loss, and the reason was only by my mistake. I placed the stop loss at the wrong area and I did this silly move, and that's why I couldn't pause the account today. If I had set the stop loss on the logical area, today we would have passed the account, but unfortunately we couldn't. And so let me explain why this was the stop loss wrong and what was the reason behind this trade. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart. Things will be clear, more clear on 1 minute. So this was a 5-minute chart. On this is the first presented 5-minute gap, which I didn't use that. I used the 1 minute first presented fair value gap plus this daily upper quarter and on higher time frame buys. Okay, and then this liquidity. So what was the reason behind this trade? So this was the first presented fair value gap on higher time frame. We were expanding for upside. Before that we went to a downside. We respected CE and then we start going to upside. Then we trace again. We made the 1 minute first presented fair value gap. We trace into it. We respected it and then we went higher, and then there was a 5-minute break. Okay, this was a break, and here I placed the entry on buy limit and set the stop loss here. And why the stop loss was wrong? Because if I was using, as I were using the first presented fair value gap, I should have placed the stop loss at least to the CE of it. Okay, or if I wanted to be more logical, I should have placed it to the lower half of the first presented fair value, but I didn't. I didn't even look at the 1 minute chart, and I placed it on the recent low and see how what happened. We traced and it gives the entry, and then we hit the stop loss, and the second we hit the stop loss we spend some time and then we expand to the side where I was looking for, and we hit the TP, and yeah, that's it. This was the day. The mistake by The mistake was clearly by my side. There was nothing wrong with the strategy or something. Price action was good, everything was good, went very smoothly to the upside, but I did the mistake in the placing the stop loss, and I get the reward from that, and that's it. So I risked 2% of my account, and now we are again on. Right now we are at 100% plus on my account. So it is what it is. So the week has ended, and at the end of the week we ended in positive, and I'm glad. Yesterday was very good day for me, and at the end of this week we are 3% positive, which is a good thing. And I wish I didn't do this mistake, but it is what it is. So that's all. Maybe I will make the weekly review video if I get the time to make, and or we'll see you in the next week. Okay, so that's it. In the next video, love face.